Matteo from Primo Estate here, and today is one of the most exciting days of the year. We're releasing our new 2026 season of the Joseph First Run Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Fans of this oil will know that we make it with the first pressing of the harvest early crop, so olives picked quite green right at the beginning of the season to deliver a really intense, robust oil that you will never taste as fresh as this. There's just a few weeks between the olives being on the trees and being in bottle. We bottle it cloudy and unfiltered so that we can get it to market as fresh as possible. This is the first olive oil from the season I've seen released in Australia, and so it'll be the closest thing you'll ever get to tasting oil straight from the press. So we follow the Italian olio nuovo tradition of bottling, like many of the wineries do, the first season's oil at the same time as we bottle our red wines, using the same bottle and the same label style. So that's why we bottle it in these wine bottles. It's following that tradition and it just works perfectly for our bottling setup. And the cork is really great for keeping the freshness in. You can just pop it straight back in the bottle, take it out when you need to pour. Wow, okay. That has the most amazing fragrance right there. This oil is gonna be amazing. Look at that. That only olio nuovo can have that amazing color. That has the most amazing fresh olive and cut grass perfume. I can smell this wonderful peppercorn note too. I'm gonna taste it. Oh yeah. That's an awesome first rum. It's got the beautiful olive fruit character up front, and then that delicious kind of grassy and pepperiness on the finish. It's as fresh as it gets. This is great Australian olive oil. So the 2026 season was a long ripening season. Things flowered early, but then it took a long time to get to ripeness. And we ended up with small olives that were really packed with flavor, and I think that shows in the final oil. This is a really fruity year with that beautiful bit of pepper and grass on the end. So you will never taste olive oil this fresh. If you love great seasonal produce, you've got to try the new Joseph First Run. Cheers.